Okay, here with that horse, my final video today. Here's a master schooler, her fan, and trying to re-record because it ran out of memory before. But overall, I did got as a Christmas gift from my dad back in 2014 December. But it is okay. But overall, it's very stiff, but it does move a lot of air, so it might blow the camera down sometimes in the video. You might have seen this up here in one of the videos on my brother's channel, RF the Great. Well, here is right here. I'm trying to record as fast as I can before I get back to my bedroom. The reason why I'm not recording it in my bedroom is there's not enough space for it in my bedroom. But anyway, I have it plugged into a surge protector just in case anything goes wrong. But I never had it happen. So here I might start with low. Sounds like the way it sounds the same like it did the last time I ever turned it on several months ago. Man, it's really powerful. And of course, it might have been from the 40s or 50s. Please comment down below. Yeah, it's super strong. It's like a fan on steroids. Okay. Here's yeah, this is low. Here's 2. Whoa, it's already strong. I hope it doesn't blow the camera down. Here's 1. And high. And off. Oh yeah, if you want to know the model number of this thing, here's the model number. It's model 546. I once tried to research this model on the internet so I can know more about these models, but I saw none. I'm mostly seeing different models and not any of these. I once found a photo on Google, but it said no information about this model. Of course, just to show proof the motor is too rusted. Second thing, this thing is super heavy. Oh wait a minute, it's already too dark anyway, but you may not notice the motor's badly rusted. Oh god, this is heavy! But, yeah. So, this is it for this video. So, there will be more videos soon.